In this presentation, identification of queuing models is explained. The main objective of this presentation is to identify the queuing models in queuing theory. Before that, we have to see the Kendall's notations. We have to know that A represents Markovian arrivals with Poisson distribution. B represents Markovian departure with exponential distribution. And C, the number of channels or the number of counters. D, capacity of the system. And E, Q discipline. Next, we have to identify the models. If the single server, one customer or one channel or one counter, either of this is given in the problem, and if there is no limit, infinite capacity and undefined capacity, these notations or these words are given in the problem, then the queuing model is MM1 infinity first come first serve model. So this is a single server with infinite capacity model. Some examples are a 1 TV repairman problem with infinite customers or infinite televisions. The another one is one man barber shop or one barber with infinite customers. So these are the examples for the first model, MM1 infinity first come first serve model. The second one, in the problem, the multiple server, two or more customers, two or more channels, or two or more counters is given, and if there is no limit or infinite capacity or undefined capacity is given, then we have to use the queuing model MMC infinity first come first serve. Some examples are given. If two TV repairmen with infinite televisions or two barbers with infinite waiting customers are given, then the model is MMC infinity with first come first serve model. The next one, so the first two models are the capacity is infinite. The other two models are finite capacity models. The third model is if in the question single server or one customer or one channel or one counter with the limit is finite or finite capacity or defined capacity or waiting room is finite is given, then the queuing model is MM1 K first come first serve model. So here one is single server model, K is the number of customer must be finite. For example, one TV repairman with maybe 10 televisions or 20 televisions, or it should be finite, and one barber with finite chairs. One man is on service, the other customers, maybe 4 or 5 customers or 6 or 10, the customers must be finite customers, they must be wait. And the last model, this is a multi-server model with the finite capacity. If in the problem multi-servers are two or more customers or two or more channels or two or more counters with the limit is finite or finite capacity or defined capacity or waiting room is finite is given, then the queuing model is MMC K first come first serve model, that is multi-server with finite capacity model. For example, two TV repairmen with finite televisions, two barbers with finite customers. So these are the models we have to identify from the given problem. Thank you.